Hi Ashok, good to meet you again too. How are you? That's great. That's great. Hello, hi. Good evening, guys. We're waiting for a couple of minutes. We'll start by 6. Good evening. Hi. So, final 2 minutes of waiting for anyone else who wants to join us. And we will just start in the next 2 minutes. I hope you're all ready. Everyone's had their evening snacks. Everyone's ready. I can see someone saying they've had a very healthy snack. That's really great. I'm sure your health coach would be very proud of you right now. Absolutely. I'm ready to just a couple of more seconds and then we start. All right, so we're good to go now. We waited, and I hope everyone's joined us. Welcome or welcome back if you've already been here with us on this journey for the last couple of webinars. If you're new, a very warm welcome to all of you present here. Before I move ahead, I will quickly introduce myself. My name is Yutika Savla, and I'm a diabetes educator, a dietitian. And today we are here to discuss the healthy eating to manage diabetes on popular demand. And when I say popular, I mean a lot of my users, of all our users, have said that they want me to talk about this. So here we are on your request and good to go, ready to go. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am because this is one of my favorite topics as well. So coming to healthy eating, why is this really important? You know, what happens when you eat healthy? The most important part over here is that it can help you prevent, control, or even reverse diabetes sometimes. And in this session, I want to tell you that healthy eating does not necessarily mean that we have to deprive ourselves of, some healthy food or tasty snacks or anything like that. हमें कोई भी चीजों को या अपने फेवरेट खाने पीने की वस्तुओं को छोड़ना है या हमें सफर करना है, ये एक पनिशमेंट है हेल्दी ईटिंग, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं ऐसा कि खाना हमारा हेल्दी भी हो और साथ ही साथ टेस्टी भी हो और हम उसको एंजॉय भी करें, ताकि मैनेजिंग डायबिटीज कोई पनिशमेंट ना लगे, लेकिन हमें बहुत मजा आए ये करते हुए। So taking steps to prevent or control diabetes doesn't mean living in deprivation. Like you can see even in the food plate that's there on our screens, if you can just move your attention to the food plate, you will see that बहुत सारे fruits है, बहुत सारे vegetables है, but at the same time वहाँ पे कुछ bread भी है, कुछ noodles है, कुछ yogurt है, कुछ desserts है, सब है। तो हम कैसे एक पूरा इंक्लूसिव डाइट कर सकते हैं जो हमारी एनर्जी लेवल्स बूस्ट करेगा, जो हमारे मूड इंप्रूव करेगा, एंड साथ ही साथ ऑफ कोर्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, ब्लड ग्लूकोज कंट्रोल में रखेगा, वेट कंट्रोल में रखेगा, ऑल आर इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर्स which measure whether or not we have diabetes or tell us how our heart is doing, हमारी हार्ट हेल्थ के बारे में हमें बताता है। ये सारे पैरामीटर्स को हम कैसे नॉर्मल रख सकते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम कैसे हम अपने खाने पीने को एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छे से इंजॉय कर सकते हैं। So let's get going. But before we move ahead, as always, I want this to be a very interactive session. This goes without saying by now. So let me know what you guys think. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि डायबिटीज मैनेज करने के टाइम सबसे बड़ा रिस्क फैक्टर क्या होता है? Is it being overweight? Is it sitting for too long? Or is it smoking? आप लोगों के सामने अभी एक पोल आया होगा and I want you to select the correct answer. Which I mean there's no right or wrong, सभी चीज है जो रिस्क है, बट सबसे बड़ा रिस्क क्या होता है? बीइंग ओवरवेट या थोड़ा वजन ज्यादा होना, सिटिंग फॉर टू लॉन्ग, व्हिच इज ऑब्वियस क्योंकि हम सब वी आर ऑल वर्किंग इंडिविजुअल्स फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट, और पैंडेमिक की वजह से हम लैपटॉप पे काफी हद तक बैठे रहते हैं, कभी लैपटॉप के बाद भी अपने आप को रिफ्रेश करने के लिए हम टीवी के सामने बैठते हैं, या कभी कभी स्ट्रेस में आके या कभी कभी आदत की वजह से हम स्मोक भी करते हैं। तो आप लोगों को क्या लगता है कि व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट रिस्क फैक्टर व्हाइल मैनेजिंग डायबिटीज? Quickly in the poll that's there in front of you on your screens, let me know what is the biggest risk factor when it comes to managing diabetes? Is it being overweight? Is it sitting for too long? Or is it smoking? I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds so that all of our attendees, all of our wonderful, wonderful audience who spend Saturday evenings with me every week can answer, and then I'll move ahead when I have the poll results in front of me. आप लोगों के जब पोल रिजल्ट्स मेरे सामने आएंगे तो मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी. तब तक प्लीज गाइज, इफ नो वन, for all those who have voted, very good. For those who haven't, you have it on the screen in front of you. Go ahead and quickly select one of the three options and let me know what you think. Okay, and we have a very mixed response where people have said that being overweight is a big risk factor. That is the most common answer. And the next one is sitting for too long. 63% people have said being overweight. The rest have said sitting for too long, and almost close to no one had said it's smoking. So let's see what is the biggest risk factor. And when it comes to managing diabetes, and let me tell you guys, you were absolutely correct that being overweight is the biggest risk factor when it comes to managing diabetes. Now when I say overweight, I specifically want to stress on this that हमारे एब्डोमेन के मतलब हमारे पेट के आजू बाजू का जो वेट होता है वो जब ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है एज अपोज टू हिप्स और थाइस, तब हमें सबसे ज्यादा रिस्क होता है डायबिटीज का. Like it's mentioned on your screens, if you can just see that a woman's waist circumference should be below 35 inches, and for a man, it should be below 40 inches. So at all times, हमारा जो waist circumference है, वो अगर आप एक औरत है तो below 35, and if you are a man, तो below 40 inches. Any idea why this happens? You guys want to know why this is so important? Do let me know in the chat box as well. But aiming to lose extra weight and having a balanced diet, having a very active lifestyle, exercising well, and even sleeping well. Yes, अच्छे से सोना, making sure that हमें rest मिल रहा है. ऐसे नहीं कि हम एकदम end moment तक जब तक फोन पे है, फोन फेस पे गिर नहीं जाता तब तक हम फोन पे है, और फिर उठते ही सबसे पहले भी फोन पे है, पूरा टाइम ऑफिस का स्ट्रेस है. ऐसे नहीं. A very restful sleep is also important in managing that weight. Aiming to lose the extra weight, especially around the abdomen, reduces the risk of developing diabetes and its complication. It also makes managing very easy. मैनेज करने में सबसे ज्यादा मदद तब होती है जब हम अपने पेट के आजू बाजू का फैट कम कर पाते हैं. And now we're coming to looking at what to eat more, what to eat less, so that we achieve this goal. हमारा ये जो goal है कि पेट के आजू बाजू का फैट कम करना है या वजन कम करना है या डायबिटीज मैनेज करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या ज्यादा खाना चाहिए, क्या कम खाना चाहिए, इसको देखते हैं अभी. And we start with aiming the most natural, unprocessed food and reducing packaged and convenience foods as much as possible. Let me tell you what I mean by this. When I say more natural and unprocessed, I mean we can have healthy fat. What I mean is, मेरा मतलब ये है कि we can have more of healthy fat from nuts, जैसे बादाम है, अखरोट है, पिस्ता है, या हमारे healthy oils जैसे olive oil है, या in Indian diet very commonly we'll have सिंगदाने का तेल, which is your groundnut oil. Then we pride ourselves in being a carb eating country, so why not make sure that our cereals are always whole grains? Why do we need a more of processed, right? So we should make sure कि हम जो cereals खा रहे हैं, by cereals I mean ज्वारी है, बाजरा है, wheat है, all of this as unprocessed and as natural as possible. Again, when it comes to fish, when it comes to chicken, when it comes to your eggs, make sure that it is as natural as possible. ज़्यादा preservatives नहीं है इसमें. Similarly, for the fruits and vegetables, make sure that you have a what we call a rainbow diet in that sense, which means that all of your different colored fruit and vegetables in your diet is a very good option for you guys. Again, when it comes to protein, having a good quality of protein is very important, which will also come from vegetarian sources like low-fat dairy, or it can come from beans, which is moong hai, chana hai, rajma hai, all of these excellent sources of protein. It can come from unsweetened yogurt. Now, there's a very big difference, which we will come to when it comes to yogurt. And it can also be from eggs, it can be from fish, and all of these things. So these are good sources of protein as well. And when I say eat less, now this is a very obvious thing that a dietitian would tell you. Packaged foods, chips, biscuits, big no. Always, okay? But apart from this, और क्या हो सकता है कि chips या biscuits तो ये तो सबको पता होता है, right? तो इसके अलावा क्या हो सकता है? Let's come to processed meat and red meat. What I mean by this is that जो मीट को ज्यादा प्रोसेसिंग होता है, या तो फिर जैसे रेड मीट जहाँ पे ज्यादा फैट इन अ बैड वे, अनहेल्दी फैट बहुत ज्यादा होता है, वो नहीं खाना है. वी हैव टू गो फॉर लीन मीट. अगेन व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर ब्रेड्स एंड शुगरी सीरियल्स और रिफाइंड राइस, रिफाइंड पास्ता, विच इज लाइक जितना ज्यादा पॉलिश्ड व्हाइट राइस होगा उतना आपको डायबिटीज में वो तकलीफ करेगा, शुगर ज्यादा स्पाइक होगा. सिमिलरली फॉर योर व्हाइट ब्रेड्स और for refined cereals, all of these things. By refined cereal, you can also take it like breakfast cereals, right? And then we have our yogurts. Of course, there are yogurts which are bad, and there are yogurts which are good for your health. What I mean when I say yogurts that are good for your health, it will mean that something that is not having added sugars, added flavor for the flavor. Because a lot of times क्या होता है कि flavor आने के लिए या तो to make sure कि consumer जो है, हम as consumers we go back and we keep buying more of their products, वो flavor के लिए वो उसमें added sugar डालते हैं fruits के नाम पे. वो हमेशा जरूरी नहीं है कि फ्रेश फ्रूट्स हो, वो फ्रूट का फ्लेवर भी हो सकता है. तो ये जो है ये हिडन फैट और हिडन शुगर हो जाता है, जो बहुत ही ज्यादा हानिकारक होता है, आपके शुगर लेवल रेज करने में बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करता है. तो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप अपने हेल्थ कोच के साथ वो न्यूट्रिशन लेवल जो होता है आपके पैकेज फूड्स पे वो डिस्कस करें. एंड अगर आपकी हेल्थ कोच आपको ग्रीन सिग्नल दे तो ही आगे जाए, वरना ट्राई टू अवॉइड दैट फूड एज मच एज पॉसिबल. Coming on to carbohydrates, now we know that we all have heard in fact कि carbohydrates होता है, protein होता है, fat होता है. These are the three most important nutrients. And why is carbohydrates the main culprit when it comes to diabetes? Because when we eat a carbohydrate, it is directly converted to glucose, which means हमारे blood में जो sugar spike होता है वो directly carbohydrates से होता है. Now this doesn't mean कि carbohydrate completely निकाल लेना है, but we have to be smart. हमें स्मार्ट सिलेक्शन करना है कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट कौन कौन से लेने हैं, कौन कौन से नहीं लेने हैं, राइट? सो वी आर कमिंग ऑन टू दैट, क्योंकि प्रोटीन और फैट से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, तो मेक श्योर कि हम जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट ले रहे हैं वो अच्छा, हेल्दी और अनरिफाइंड सोर्सेस हो, राइट? So coming on to what are some of the most common carbohydrate foods that we eat, which causes a very sharp spike in the blood sugar, meaning कि हम खाते ही कुछ ही घंटों में एकदम से शुगर ऊपर चला जाता है, फिर एकदम से नीचे चला जाता है. ये जो फ्लक्चुएशन है ना, ये बहुत ज्यादा अनहेल्दी है और बहुत ज्यादा हानिकारक है. बिकॉज द मोर द शुगर्स फ्लक्चुएट, जितना ज्यादा फ्लक्चुएट होगा उतना आपके डायबिटीज रिलेटेड कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बढ़ते जाते हैं. तो इसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, व्हाइट राइस की जगह पे आप लॉन्ग ग्रेन राइस, मतलब जो बड़े बड़े मोटे मोटे चावल के दाने होते हैं, आप जब खरीदने जाएंगे तो आप ये डिफरेंस जरूर देखना, जो पॉलिश छोटे दाने होते हैं वर्सेस जो बड़े बड़े दाने होते हैं. अनपॉलिश राइस माने ब्राउन राइस होता है, व्हीट दलिया मतलब हमारा जो दलिया होता है, या दूसरे मिलेट्स जैसे जवारी है, बाजरा है, तो प्लेन व्हाइट राइस की जगह पे हम ये खा सकते हैं. कमिंग ऑन टू पटेटोज, नाउ आई नो हम बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि डायबिटीज हुआ तो चावल और पटेटो तो सबसे पहले छोड़ दिया. It's a good thing that you guys are taking the effort, but what you can have instead of the potato, you can have sweet potatoes, you can have cauliflower mash, मतलब हमारा जो फूल गोभी होता है उसका मैश करके उसको खा सकते हैं. सिमिलरली जो शुगरी ब्रेकफास्ट सीरियल है, जैसे कि कॉर्नफ्लेक्स है, या ब्रेकफास्ट सीरियल जो बोलते हैं ना टेस्ट भी हेल्थ भी, let me tell you, taste hota hai, health I don't know, right? So what you can do instead of that, it would be that high fiber and low sugar cereals. There are options for that. जैसे कभी कभी wheat bran होता है वो भी मिलता है. So these are high fiber options and low in added sugar or hidden sugar, जो हमें पता नहीं चलता but है उधर, जरूर है, बस नाम अलग कर दिया है. Then we come to instant oats versus steel cut और roll. Instant oat मतलब जो अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स होते हैं ना, जो ओट्स के मिलते हैं कि ये मसाला वो मसाला इंस्टेंट 2 मिनट में बन जाएगा मैगी की तरह, तो वो मैगी की तरह ही आपकी हेल्थ को भी अफेक्ट करेगा. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू डू इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, आप जो होल ओट्स का जो स्टील कट वाले पैकेट होते हैं या रोल्ड ओट्स वाले पैकेट्स होते हैं वो आप घर पे लेके आइए, और बहुत सारे रेसिपीज अवेलेबल होते हैं, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि आप किस तरह से इसी प्लेन ओट्स को ज्यादा टेस्टी करके खा सकते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स आप अगर अपने हेल्थ कोच के पास आएंगे तो हम लोग भी आपको काफी सारी रेसिपीज देंगे जो आपको अच्छे से मतलब टेस्टी ओट्स बनाने में मदद करेगी. बट इंस्टेंट ओट मील कभी नहीं लेना है. सिमिलरली मैंने पहले बताया कॉर्नफ्लेक्स के बारे में, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स आर अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क ओवर हियर बिकॉज बहुत सिंपल शुगर्स होता है और हिडन शुगर्स बहुत होता है. सिमिलरली फॉर कॉर्न एज वेल, जो हमारा मकाई होता है, इट्स अ गुड थिंग बट इट्स अ सिंपल, बिकॉज आई नो यू गाइस विल से कि ये तो नेचुरल है, इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? द थिंग इज इट्स अ गुड थिंग, इसमें ऐसी कोई खराब बात नहीं है, लेकिन उससे भी अच्छे ऑप्शंस होते हैं, क्योंकि ये एक है कि बहुत सिंपल शुगर हो जाता है. सिंपल शुगर मतलब खाने के साथ तुरंत ही आपके शुगर स्पाइक एंड देन क्रैश, ऐसा ना हो, इसलिए इसके अलावा आप क्या ले सकते हैं, व्हाट यू कैन टेक इंस्टेड ऑफ कॉर्न is your peas or your green leafy vegetable, which is equally tasty when you make it right. Okay, just like वो इंस्टाग्राम पे स्कैरी ग्रीन जूस या फेसबुक पे देख के ऐसे ये नहीं होता कि वो बहुत टॉर्चरस ग्रीन जूस पीना है, ऐसे नहीं होता. वी आर इंडियंस, वी आर वेरी क्रिएटिव and we know how to make our food tasty with all the masalas, so use them, get creative, but go for healthier option as your base ingredients. अगेन मैदा फ्लावर जो होता है, रिफाइंड व्हीट फ्लावर और मैदा, वेरी वेरी अनहेल्दी, बिकॉज व्हीट का जितना भी अच्छा न्यूट्रिएंट्स है उन सब को निकाल के फेंक दिया तो जाके बचता है मैदा. तो ये सब जितना हो सकता है उतना आप अवॉइड करो. उसकी जगह पे आप क्या ले सकते हैं, जैसे राजगीरा का आटा होता है या अमरंथ जो बोलते हैं, कुट्टू का आटा होता है, जवारी का आटा होता है, बाजरी का, रागी का, इन सारी चीजों के जो आटे होते हैं वो बहुत हेल्दी होते हैं, क्योंकि इनमें ना सिर्फ हमारे कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट्स या प्रोटीन के अलावा एक स्टेप आगे जाके बहुत सारे विटामिन, मिनरल्स, फाइबर, ये सारी चीजें भी होती है. तो ये इसलिए ज्यादा हेल्दी ऑप्शन है, और कभी भी हमें चाहिए तो हम ऐसे हेल्दी स्वॉप्स यूज कर सकते हैं टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाट वी आर ईटिंग इज ऑलवेज हेल्दी and it is good for our body, and to make sure that this will not cause a spike in the blood sugar levels like your normal simple carbohydrates does, right? Concentrate on eating high fiber foods. Now I'm going to give you some really nice examples on how you can do that. When it comes to vegetables, you can have cauliflower, you can have spinach, मतलब पालक है, स्वीट पोटैटो है, ग्रीन बीन्स है, ब्रोकली है, गाजर है, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीजें हैं, हेल्दी वेजिटेबल्स है, फ्रूट्स है, एप्पल्स, बेरीज. सीजनल फ्रूट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जैसे अभी सीजन गया हमारे स्ट्रॉबेरीज का, आंवला अभी भी शायद सीजन में चल रहा है. विटामिन सी बहुत मिलता है आंवले से, जो आपको पता होगा, तो आप वो खाइए. सीजनल फ्रूट दिन का एक फ्रूट बहुत अच्छा होता है. एडेड, क्योंकि ये स्लाइड पे मैं आपको आगे जाके और एक टिप देने वाली हूँ कि आप नट्स एंड सीड्स कैसे खा सकते हैं. तो जैसे हमारे बादाम है, पिस्ता है, अखरोट है, तो आप जब भी फ्रूट खाते हैं सिर्फ फ्रूट मत खाइए, उसके साथ आप एक स्नैक बना लीजिए कि शाम के टाइम में, ऐसे टाइम में आप अपना बादाम, अखरोट, ये सब, और उसके साथ एक फ्रूट. तो मतलब आपको फ्रूट के विटामिन, मिनरल्स और सारी अच्छी अच्छी बेनिफिट्स भी मिल गई, लेकिन क्योंकि आप इसके साथ में अच्छे से फैट्स ले रहे हैं, नट्स एंड सीड्स आर अ वेरी गुड सोर्स ऑफ फैट, वो ले रहे हैं, तो आपका शुगर स्पाइक नहीं होगा, बैलेंस हो जाएगा अच्छे से, और आपको बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ द वर्ल्ड्स, you will get the best of nutrients in this combination. Again, coming to the grains such as whole wheat, बेसन, ब्राउन राइस, मिलेट्स मतलब हमारे जवारी, बाजरा, ये सारी चीजें, और ये सारी चीजों से हम रोटी बनाते हैं, हम डोसा बनाते हैं, अप्पम बनाते हैं, अलग अलग चीजें हम बना सकते हैं. तो इनका यूज करके इनको खाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. In fact, when you have whole grains, they have a lot of fiber content and it's very good for your health. Some of the millets also, millets मतलब just to reiterate, जैसे जवार, बाजरे वगैरह है, ये सारी चीजें अगर हम अच्छे से डाइट में इंकॉर्पोरेट कर पाए स्मार्टली, तो ये हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर कम करने में भी मदद करते हैं, राइट? अगेन इट कम्स टू लेग्यूम्स. लेग्यूम्स इज वेरी सिंपली हमारे जो राजमा होते हैं, दाल होती है, छोले के चने होते हैं, काले चने हैं, मूंग है, ये सारे जो हमारे है बहुत अच्छे सोर्सेज ऑफ प्लांट प्रोटीन्स. दे आर वेरी हेल्दी एंड दे आल्सो हैव फाइबर. सो ये इस तरह का प्रोटीन डाइट में, एवरीडे डाइट में इंक्लूड करना आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी आइडिया होती है. तो definitely come back and talk to your health coach on how she can include this in your daily diet, and start doing it from tomorrow itself when you get a chance to talk to her. Now coming to a very favorite and a very dear topic, how many of us love having sweets? Sweets can be anything, you know. हमारे गाजर का हलवा जो मेरा पर्सनली फेवरेट है, रसमलाई है, गुलाब जामुन है, जलेबी है, कितने लोगों को पसंद है? आपकी स्क्रीन पे एक पोल आएगा. वंस अगेन हेल्प मी आउट हियर गाइस, इंटरैक्टिव बनाते हैं इसे, कि आप लोगों को स्वीट्स पसंद है नहीं, या आपको स्वीट टूथ नहीं है, यू कैन सर्वाइव विदाउट स्वीट्स. और यू लव्ड ईटिंग स्वीट्स बट क्योंकि डायबिटीज हो गया तो आप लोगों ने छोड़ दिया. लेट मी नो क्विकली कौन सा ऑप्शन मोस्ट रेजोनेट्स विद यू, मोस्ट स्टैंड्स ट्रू फॉर यू. आपके लिए क्या सही है? देयर इज नो राइट और रॉन्ग ओवर हियर. आपके लिए क्या सही है? आपको स्वीट्स खाना पसंद है ही नहीं, या पसंद था लेकिन डायबिटीज हुआ तो मैंने छोड़ दिया? Quickly tell me. I'm waiting for all of our audience over here to answer, and once I have the poll results we can go ahead. I hope everyone is answering because I can see some in the chat also, but I would request you कि आप please अपना आंसर जो है वो पोल में दीजिए, और हमें फटाफट रिजल्ट्स मिलेंगे तो हम आगे बढ़ पाएंगे. Okay, waiting for the results, and I get a majority of the answers saying I love sweets but I gave up now. I'm really sorry that you had to go through this. You know, I can understand being a sweet tooth myself, how difficult it is to see gajar ka halwa but not have it is just something I cannot imagine. So let's not worry about this. Let's figure out how we can have these sweets in our daily diet without messing up our diabetes, without messing up our blood sugar levels, how we can incorporate these, because let's face it, you can be smart about sweets too, right? हमारे कल्चर में हम हर सेलिब्रेशन को, जैसे दिवाली है या कोई भी फेस्टिवल है, हमारा स्वीट्स के बिना खत्म होता नहीं है. तो मतलब हमारे परिवार में बाकी सब लोग खा रहे हैं, फ्रेंड्स खा रहे हैं और हम ही नहीं खा रहे, तो ये तो मुझे बहुत बड़ी पनिशमेंट लगती है जो नहीं होना चाहिए. दिस शुड नॉट बी हैपनिंग. सो हाउ डू यू गेट स्मार्ट अबाउट योर स्वीट्स, राइट? द की इज इन मॉडरेशन. मतलब आप खाओ लेकिन ओवर इंडल्ज तो मत करना. और इसको भी आई अग्री कि टाइम लगता है. क्या होता है ना कि अगर हम स्वीट टूथ है, जैसे majority of you had said that you have given up the sweet, but a lot of you had also said कि you have a sweet tooth and you love sweets, which is understandable. Every one of us, most of us, we have a sweet tooth. And क्या होता है कि एकदम से छोड़ देना ना पॉसिबल नहीं होता. Why? Because our taste buds have developed in a certain way that we are craving sweets. हमें स्वीट जब तक नहीं मिलता, कभी कभी मूड बिगड़ जाता है, गुस्सा आता है, जो एक अच्छी मिठाई खाने के बाद ही अच्छा लगता है, मूड फिर से अच्छा लगता है. तो इसलिए एकदम से going from eating something every day or 2 to 3 times a day to next day not eating it at all, if you can do that, that's fantastic. But what happens is you have to give your body the time to adjust to this new reality. So थोड़ा थोड़ा करके उसको कम करो डाइट में. नेक्स्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज ऑन द डे दैट यू आर हैविंग योर स्वीट्स, मतलब अगर आपको पता है कि आज घर में गाजर का हलवा बना है, या आज चाचा जी आए हैं और वो गुलाब जामुन लाए हैं और मुझे वो खाना है, तो उस दिन एक रोटी कम खाओ या राइस थोड़ा कम खाओ और हमारे खाने के साथ एक गुलाब जामुन ले लो. तो इस तरह से थोड़ा सा बैलेंस हो जाता है ना. अगेन व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर फेवरेट डेजर्ट्स, you can add healthy fats to it. Like I mentioned, आपको मैंने बताया था कि healthy fats क्या होता है. बादाम, अखरोट, पिस्ता, peanut butter, some sort of cheese. Not all cheese is healthy, but like you can see on your screen, ricotta cheese is one of the healthier versions. Unsweetened, unflavored yogurt also has a lot of healthy fats. So when you are picky about your fat, मतलब when you prioritize the quality of the food you are having, हम जो फूड क्वालिटी लेते हैं उसको अगर हम प्रायोरिटाइज करेंगे तो हम हर चीज मॉडरेशन में खा सकते हैं. तो improve the quality of the fat in the desserts, then eat sweets with a meal rather than a standalone snack. What happens is, lot of the times around 4 5 p.m. I know, because a lot of my clients also, my patients also tell me that this is the particular time when I start craving sweets like no other time, and I cannot help but grab for a Cadbury, or I cannot help but grab for something sweet or some snack. So what happens is when you do this, वो एक टाइम पे अगर एक अनहेल्दी स्नैक खाया तो वो आपके ब्लड शुगर को बहुत नेगेटिवली अफेक्ट करेगा. इंस्टेड व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, उस टाइम पे अगर आपको स्वीट खाने का मन कर रहा है ना, स्पेसिफिकली जो, तो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एक हैक बता दिया. आप फ्रूट्स और उसके साथ थोड़े बहुत अपने ड्राई फ्रूट्स नहीं, नट्स खा लीजिए, तो वो आपका उस टाइम का स्नैक हो गया. लेकिन अगर आपको प्रॉपर मिठाई खानी है तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यू कैन ईट इट विथ अ मील. मतलब आपने लंच के साथ थोड़ा सा लिया या ब्रेकफास्ट या डिनर के साथ थोड़ा सा लिया तो ये आपके शुगर को काफी हद तक कंट्रोल में रखेगा और आपको खाने की फ्रीडम भी देगा. And the next thing you can do is make your indulgence count. What do I mean by this? What do I mean by this is that slowly count. Focus your time, energy, and attention on that specific delicious gajar ka halwa in front of you. And I know I'm saying gajar ka halwa a lot, but that's my favorite sweet. तो मेरे मन में अभी वही आ रहा है जब मैंने स्वीट की बात चालू कर दी तो उस पे आप ध्यान दीजिए. जस्ट लुक एट हाउ अमेजिंग द फ्लेवर इज, हाउ अमेजिंग इट इज गोइंग टू टेस्ट, and sit with it. Give it 10 to 20 minutes of your time with a meal, of course. And what you do is आराम से स्लो खाइए उसको. तो एक तो ना इसके दो फायदे हैं. एक तो आप ज्यादा एंजॉय कर पाओगे. एंड कमिंग टू अ मोर साइंटिफिक पर्सपेक्टिव, when you are eating something and you start eating and you eat it for a period of 20 minutes, by 20 minutes your stomach sends a signal to the brain and it tells the brain कि बस अभी मेरा पेट भर गया, अभी तो खाना बंद कर दे. ये होता है. तो अगर हम आराम से खाएंगे, मतलब वी स्टार्टेड ईटिंग विद डिनर और विद ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच and we made sure that we sat with the meal, we enjoyed it and took a good 20 to 25 minutes to eat, then we can stop ourselves from overindulging and we can enjoy the sweet without it causing a lot of harm to the body. So to sum it up, reduce the sugar slowly but steadily. Eat in smaller portions, मतलब आप 3-4 गुलाब जामुन की जगह पे एक खाइए या 2 खाइए. होममेड स्वीट्स जो घर पे आप बना सकते हैं उस पे फोकस कीजिए, क्योंकि जब आप घर पे बनाते हैं तो उसमें आप शुगर कितना डाल रहे हैं उस पर आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. Occasionally you can also opt for a sweetener, मतलब जो हमारे sugar free tablets है या stevia है. Stevia is an excellent and natural sweetener. तो ऐसी कोई चीज है जो आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ द रिफाइंड शुगर जो नॉर्मल चीनी होती है. कट बैक ऑन सम कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. जिस दिन आपको पता है आपको कोई मीठी चीज खानी है तो उस दिन 2 रोटी कम खाओ और उसकी जगह पे आपने एक मिठाई खा ली. Add a lot of healthy fats and nuts to your dessert. Eat your desserts with a meal and chew slowly and chew it for a longer period of time, so that you can enjoy the meal. I can see someone saying you can't hear me. Is it better now?
Yes, Ritika, we can hear you. I think a specific individual has a problem. I will check with them.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rebecca. Okay, so moving on ways to add healthy fats into your diet and eliminating the unhealthy ones. The one that I've already spoken about, जो मैंने already आपको बता दिया है and in depth discussion कर दिया है, वो है कि आप अपने nuts को बढ़ाओ. Of course, बादाम और पिस्ता और अखरोट के अलावा क्या हो सकता है? This I have not touched upon. So let me just introduce seeds to you. Now, what do I mean by this? हमारे डाइट में स्पेशली एज इंडियंस वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन वंस वी हैव इज अलसी और फ्लैक्स सीड्स. दिस इज एन amazing source. मतलब if you have 1 tablespoon of flax seeds in your daily diet, you will see that over a period of a month or 2 months, your blood sugar levels, your weight, your energy levels, सारी चीजों में जमीन आसमान का आपको फर्क दिखने लगेगा. तो आप ये सारी चीजें जरूर ऐड कीजिए. कोई और ऑप्शंस क्या हो सकते हैं? pumpkin seeds है, chia seeds है, hemp seeds है, sunflower seeds है, flax seeds है, and then of course your almonds, walnuts and everything. These are an excellent source of fats, and make sure that to start having them in your daily diet if you are not. Now if you never had it on a regular basis, don't क्या होता है ना कि कभी नहीं खाया तो एकदम से भर भर के खाना भी अच्छी बात नहीं होगी. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि instead of doing that, start with 5 to 10 almonds. If you're starting with having seeds for the very first time, go for 1 teaspoon of seeds. Okay, don't go for a 1 tablespoon directly, because you don't know if that will actually work out for you or not. So talk to your health coach and ask her how you can introduce seeds in your diet. Make sure you start with a smaller quantity, but definitely do start. Any time is a good time to have your seeds. In fact, when you're munching, when you're snacking, to go for anything else as opposed to going for a seeds and nuts is a better way to snack in the evening times. Then we come to boiling or baking over stir frying over deep frying. मतलब पूरियां है या एकदम तले हुए पकौड़े हैं, ये सबको अवॉइड करके आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एयर फ्राई कर सकते हैं, आप उसको बॉईल कर सकते हैं या उसको बेक कर सकते हैं, माइक्रोवेव ओवन में बेक कर सकते हैं। स्टर फ्राई मतलब जो हम डीप फ्राई करने के लिए ज्यादा ऑयल यूज करते हैं, उससे जगह 1 चम्मच तेल में हम अच्छे से सॉटे कर सकते हैं, उसको stir fry कर सकते हैं। तो these are some of the excellent ways of reducing bad fats in your diet. Enjoy your dairy in moderation. Now what happens is dairy में प्रोटीन होता है, कैल्शियम होता है, अग्री, बट उसमें सैचुरेटेड फैट्स भी बहुत होते हैं। अभी अगर हमें ऑलरेडी डायबिटीज है तो वी स्टैंड द रिस्क ऑफ डेवलपिंग सम हार्ट डिजीज एज वेल, जैसे कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ना या ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ना, इसके चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं। तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं कि आप डेयरी जो है वो मॉडरेशन में, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा यूज मत कीजिए। स्टार्ट विथ स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज, लाइक आप अगर दूध पी रहे तो 1 छोटा कप दूध है, ऐसी कोई कोई चीजें हैं जो आप चेंज कर सकते हैं। तो आप मॉडरेशन में या थोड़ा थोड़ा करके उसको कंज्यूम करिए, बहुत ज्यादा मत कीजिए। एंड फाइनली we use oil in our everyday cooking and we should use oil. There is nothing to be afraid of, नथिंग टू फील लाइक यार तेल एकदम से बंद कर देना, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली आपकी बॉडी में फैट्स की भी इतनी ही जरूरत होती है। तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक तो कि आप क्वांटिटी को थोड़ा सा कम कीजिए, मतलब अगर आप, और एंड अ वेरी गुड वे टू जज दिस, लेट मी टेल यू, इज व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग ना, अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं पता चल रहा कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा तेल यूज कर रहा हूँ या कम है, तो आप जब खाना खाते हैं, खाना खाने के बाद अपनी प्लेट को एक बार देखिए, जब आपकी सब्जी खत्म हो जाती है तो उसमें आपको तेल दिख रहा है क्या जो पीछे रह गया है? अगर दिख रहा है तो दैट मीन्स यू आर ईटिंग और यू आर यूजिंग टू मच ऑयल व्हेन यू आर कुकिंग। सो डोंट डू दैट, reduce the amount of oil you are using to cook and keep rotating it. What I mean is कि इस महीने आपने राइस ब्रांड ले लिया, नेक्स्ट टाइम आपने सिंगदाने का तेल ले लिया या ग्राउंडनट ऑयल ले लिया, next time you had some other oil, next time you had olive oil. So like this you keep rotating your oils on a monthly basis or a weekly basis, or if you would like, you, or if you enjoy it as salad dressing, then in the morning you had a proper roti dal bhat and everything, so you cooked it in some let's say groundnut oil, but in the evening you had a salad, so you can use olive oil to dress the salad. So in that way you can keep rotating and shifting your oils, and this is a very good way to in fact manage your fat consumption and add healthy fats to your diet as opposed to removing the unhealthy fats. Now last but not the least for today's topic, we come to eating at regular set times. Okay, so what happens is, like everything else in life, we need a routine when we can eat our food, because if we don't do this, अगर ये नहीं करते हैं तो क्या होता है, कभी कभी हमें नहीं पता चलता है कि हम खा रहे तो हमें एक्चुअली भूख लगी है या स्ट्रेस की वजह से कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा और हमें कुछ खाने का मन कर दिया है। तो पता नहीं चलता हमें एक्चुअली कितने टाइम भूख लग रही है क्या है। तो इसके लिए हमारी हंगर क्यूज को रेगुलेट करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। So what do we do is set proper times, set times like breakfast का ये टाइम है, lunch का ये टाइम है, dinner का ये टाइम है, and as much as possible. Now I know we are all humans. Sometimes some emergency comes up and टाइमिंग्स ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, कभी कोई एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट अर्जेंट मीटिंग आ गया या कभी कोई बीमार पड़ गया, अचानक हम हॉस्पिटल में लेके जा रहे हैं हमारे फैमिली मेंबर को, तो टाइमिंग ऊपर नीचे हो गया। लेकिन फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट्स try to have a very specific time to eat. We are eating 4 to 6 meals a day, meaning कि हम 4 से 6 बार दिन में खाना खा रहे हैं। तो आप उसको एक टाइमिंग अगर सेट करेंगे तो आपकी बॉडी को हंगर क्यूज मिलते हैं, रेगुलेट होता है, और उस हिसाब से ना, जो ये एक बात है जो हमें हंगर क्यूज पता चलते हैं, लेकिन हमें पता क्या नहीं चलता है, इज दैट आवर hormones, our internal blood work and everything else in our body internally which we cannot see starts regulating. Okay, it starts coming under a proper discipline which really helps with managing blood sugar levels. Eating moderate portion sizes, eating in moderation, having a consistent portion size and eating on the right times is very important for managing diabetes. Again, when you start your day, don't start your day with carbohydrate or simple carbohydrate rich food. Instead, you can go for protein based breakfast like having a moong dal chila or a besan chila or sprouts or dosa or some eggs if you're eating non-vegetarian food as well. You can have some eggs, You can have an omelette, something like that. Then when we come to snacking, we should make sure that we're not unconsciously snacking. मतलब we should make sure कि जैसे मैं आपको बता रही थी, एकदम से स्ट्रेस हो गया या कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा या बोर हो गया, इसके लिए हम कुछ खा रहे, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Bring that to your conscious mind. Become aware of the next time that you just go and randomly have something before you put it to your mouth. Wait, I had heard something about this, right? मुझे ये नहीं खाना. Am I actually hungry or am I just bored? Pause for 2 minutes and then realize if you're actually hungry or you're just bored or you're just eating because you have nothing else to do. Then you avoid snacking unnecessarily, and this will really help you with your sugar control. And finally, we regulate the amount of calories we eat, because having a consistent amount of calories is important. Food that you eat versus the calories that you spend in the form of exercising and your normal body functions makes a big difference on how well your diabetes is managed. मतलब आप जो खा रहे हैं वर्सेस आपके बॉडी फंक्शंस में और एक्सरसाइज में और वॉक करने में या कुछ भी करने में आप जो स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, उसमें कंट्रोल होना बहुत जरूरी है. If I give you a very simple example for this, you know how we budget our monthly expenditure. हम एवरी मंथ में हमारी इनकम जो है उससे ज्यादा स्पेंड करेंगे या उससे कम करेंगे या विदाउट कीपिंग अ ट्रैक करेंगे, तो ultimately end of the day you end up spending too much and you end up broke. What you do instead is कि every day इतना इतना खाना है, इतना इतना स्पेंड करना है, ये करना है. तो अगर आप वो रेगुलेट करेंगे तो सिमिलरली it will lead to a very better and positive diabetes management environment for you, and it will make sure that you don't have to skip or punish yourself with diet food or diets, which are very irritating to me as such. And I don't even have diabetes, but I can only imagine how irritating it gets when you all constantly have to take care of these things, right? So when you have a routine set for you, this will not happen, and you can enjoy your day-to-day life, enjoy your food just like anyone else. Coming on to one of my favorite tips that I give is to maintain a food diary. A written record really helps. Why? Because we come to know कि हमने ये खाया है. पहली बात तो ना, अगर हम सिर्फ अपने जो खाने पीने का ऑलरेडी चल रहा है उसको अगर हम कॉन्शियसली लेके आते हैं for a week, if you just observe, in the Wealthy Care app, which I will talk about now, how you can do this. If you just keep a track of every meal that you've eaten, breakfast में ये खाया, lunch में snack, dinner, and bedtime I had this. For a week you do this, and after a week come back and just scroll through that data and see. तो आप अगर ये conscious इसमें लेके आएंगे आपके conscious mind में, तो आपको खुद को ही पता चलेगा कि आप कहाँ पे change कर सकते हैं. So then it won't be something like someone is telling you you're supposed to do this. No, you will realize कि okay, I'm doing these things, but was I really hungry that day, or did I just see something and I ate it? So this is something that really helps when you maintain a food diary. And using the Wealthy Care app, in fact, we have a diary inbuilt in the app only. So you can enjoy keeping a good track, which doesn't mean you obsess over every last meal, but keeping a healthy amount of tracking of your foods is really important, and it really helps you. And there are a lot of ways in which you can do that. Of course, there's a physical diary that you can keep with you, but because we are all on our phones, you can integrate this in your app itself. You can keep updating the data, and what this does is like you update your blood sugar readings. जैसे आपने अपने blood sugar readings अपने ऐप में डाले हैं, वैसे ही अगर आप अपने food readings भी डालते हैं, आप क्या खा रहे हैं वो अगर आप log करते हैं, तो ये आपकी health coach को दिखता है. अगर ये आपकी हेल्थ कोच को दिखता है तो शी कैन मेक श्योर कि आपसे वो जब नेक्स्ट टाइम बात कर रही है ना, तो वो आपको बताएगी कि आपने ये दिन पे ये खाया, इसकी वजह से आपका शुगर ऐसा आया है. तो वो आपको ये चीज एनालाइज करने में बहुत हद तक मदद कर सकती है. मैं या मेरे जो कलीग्स हैं, हम आपको ये चीजों में बहुत अच्छे से मदद कर सकते हैं. अगर आपने ये ट्रैक रखा है तो ये आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा फायदेमंद होगा, बिकॉज देन वी कैन मेक श्योर दैट वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग योर लाइफ in a completely new fashion. No. But if you've had this particular meal, suppose you've had roti, rice, and something else in the lunch, we can just help you with a small nudge that maybe you can include a dal, a bowl of thick dal in your lunch, and this will help you add protein, and this is how you can balance out your carbs, and this will help you blunt the blood sugar or reduce the blood sugar and make your medicines more effective and effectively manage diabetes. So this is how you can maximum utilize your Wealthy Care app and take all possible benefits from it and from your health coaching that you get on a weekly basis. This is a part of the new normal now. COVID has made sure that we are all virtually connected. So in spending your time with me on a weekly basis, this is something I would like to stress on. Do make sure that you take proper care and you integrate these things in your daily lifestyle now. Like I said, your diabetes coach or your health coach, she can help you act on quick and easy tips, acquire some knowledge and skills, and achieve your health goal in the simplest and most effective possible ways in a way that this becomes your lifestyle, not just something you do for a few months and then you stop doing, right? This becomes a very easy to integrate lifestyle on a daily basis for the rest of your life. So that is where we come and we try to help you out manage this. Coming to what a diabetes management app will help you, we help you with the hand holding. When I said we can help you with each and every meal, as long as you are willing to help us with the data, we can help you with real time hacks, small things you can do here or there. There will be no जबरदस्ती नहीं कि ये करना ही है, ये करो करो करो, ऐसा नहीं. क्या ये आप कर सकते हैं, क्या ये आपके लिए पॉसिबल होगा? इफ नॉट, इसकी जगह पे क्या ये पॉसिबल होगा, वो पॉसिबल होगा. 10 different options we have, but when you help us help you, we can make sure that your diabetes is managed in the best way possible. Again, there are suggestions, there are no strict rules, and we help you maintain records, like I already said, in the diary section of the app. And these are all rooted in science and evidence. Now I know you guys are wondering what science am I talking about, so I will come to that. But first, let's just see what the Wealthy Care app is all about and what our latest updates are all about. Okay, so I hope that was a helpful, quick introduction. And I know you guys have a lot of doubts and queries. So I won't take a lot of your time ahead, but I would like to quickly introduce and familiarize you with the app as such. So we start with looking at some of the key features, and we start with a profile and target. Profile is where you can store your data. Make sure that you have all your data in place so that this is accessible at all times by you, and also it can help us help you better. Targets is somewhere you get like a specific daily goal, daily targets, and we help you make sure that easy and bite-sized lessons, but you achieve them on a daily basis and you build onto that progress on a weekly, monthly basis. Similarly, daily goals: consume so many calories, drink so much liter, burn so much calories. These things really we aim to personalize the journey as much as possible for you. And so we give you daily goals to live a very healthy life on a daily basis. We have lessons, which are audio video lessons approved by the clinical team of doctors, dietitians, and experts in their field. They make sure that all of the content is there for you. And I know we go to Google a lot and we're not sure if the content is authentic or not, because you and I can also go on Google and update some content and it will show up in the searches in a couple of days, right? So to make sure that this does not happen, to make sure कि आपको जो content मिल रहा है वो 100% authentic है, we have a clinical team who decides what you guys get on the app so that it's the best possible information for your best health. Then again, in the diary, you can log your blood sugar readings, you can log your blood pressure readings if you have blood pressure as well. If not, it's still a good idea to keep a track, because every time you visit your doctor will most likely check your blood pressure, right? So it's a good thing to keep a track of. You can also, in the diary section of the app, update your meals, update the times you have eaten, update how much water you've eaten, what are your lab reports looking like. You can update what is your weight looking like for that particular day. So all of these beautiful things you can do and keep a track of on a day-to-day basis as often as you would like in the diary. There is no limitation to how much you can come back and log, but it's up to you guys to make sure that you take the best possible use and best possible benefits from the app itself. Coming on to reminders, you have your medicines, which a lot of people forget. Sometimes we forget to drink water. Sometimes we miss out on some of the tiny habits that your health coach tells you to do. Like, hey, why don't you take methi cinnamon seeds this week? First thing, and we've forgotten. So to soak the methi seeds. So how are we going to have it the next day, right? So what you can do is make sure you have a 10 p.m. reminder over there, which will remind you that, hey, please make sure you soak your methi seeds because you need to start having it tomorrow morning. So that's one of the ways you can use the reminders. And finally, the magazine section, little tips and tricks which you can integrate in your daily life, which you can do quick reads, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. You can read and you can update your knowledge, because nothing is more important in diabetes management than being empowered. When we are not empowered, जब हमें पता ही नहीं है क्या करना है, तो हमारे मन में डर बैठ जाता है और हम अपने आप को अच्छे से इफेक्टिवली मैनेज नहीं कर पाते. लेकिन जब हमें पता होता है क्या करना है, तो हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस ही अलग होता है. और जब हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना अच्छा होता है, तो हम कुछ भी मैनेज करने के लिए हमेशा हमेशा तैयार होते हैं. So make sure you come back and educate yourselves in the magazines as well on a weekly basis. Quickly sharing patient experience with you. We have like 45,000 plus family of wealthy, and we have on a regular basis people coming back and giving us the feedback, and you can see this on your screen. I won't take too much of your time, but you can also see that we had feedback for these webinars as well. And if you guys give your feedbacks, we can come up with topics which you want to hear more and more about. So we will definitely do that. Do let us know what you think about the app and what you think about everything. Coming on to how we can help you manage different situations, different occasions, we can make sure that we prevent hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. What I mean by this, a very big spike of sugars where it goes to 500, sometimes 600, and then a very crash when it comes below 70. These are the most dangerous things, and we can make sure that we have educated you enough to make empowered decisions so that आपका sugar इतना fluctuate नहीं होगा. ये fluctuation रुक जाएगा तो आपके diabetes management के आधे problems उधर ही solve हो जाएंगे. Then we also make sure कि आपकी जो illness है, जो बीमार पड़ना है या hospitalization है, वो जितना हो सके उतना हम prevent करने में आपकी मदद करें. Then there is also religious fasts. Of course, we are a very culturally diverse country, and all of us have a different vrats. Sometimes we have Ramzan, sometimes we have the Somvar ka vrat, this vrat, that vrat. And we know these spiritual things are very important. These festivals are very important to you guys. So we will definitely help you manage even this in a way that it does not worsen your diabetes, that you can enjoy your festivals, your religious fasts, at the same time take care of your diabetes. Then we come on to celebrations. Of course, we all love celebrations. I love a good party, and to make sure that I'm celebrating my birthdays, or you guys are able to celebrate anniversaries, go to weddings, and all of these things, we make sure that we can give you the best possible advices on what to eat when you're doing this, or when you're out celebrating with your friends, without feeling like you have to stick to a bowl of salad. So this is something your health coach can really help you with. And of course, frequent travels. Now that the world is opening back up, we all are really dying to just go out there, travel for a while, go to some beautiful places, explore this world, and we will definitely help you with that as well. You just have to come back and communicate your needs to us, and it will be done. Besides your diabetes coach, what else do you expect from the Wealthy Care app? You can include an entire care team, which will include caregivers from your end. So if you have family, if you have friends, if you have parents, spouses, siblings, anyone जिनको आप वो जो आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं आपके इस जर्नी में, तो आप उनको ऐड कर सकते हैं, उनका नाम नंबर वगैरह ऐड कर सकते हैं। आप आपकी डाइटिशियन या हेल्थ कोच को बता सकते हैं कि सपोज यू आर अ मैन एंड यू आर नॉट कुकिंग, यू कैन टेल कि मैम कैन यू टॉक टू माय वाइफ एज वेल, कि आप मेरी वाइफ से बात करके उनको भी बता सकती है कि क्या खाना पीना सही रहेगा। तो ऑफ कोर्स वी विल हेल्प यू एवरी वंस इन अ व्हाइल, talk to your family members, your care team. You have a digital health coach, so every time जब भी आप एक वैल्यू लॉक करते हैं अपने ऐप में, तो हमेशा आपको कैरी ऑनलाइन आके any time of the day or night she will come and give you advice on whether the sugar was too high, whether the water is not enough, whether your meals are too high in carbs, and what can you include. So these some tips and tricks even Carrie keeps giving you, because your human health coach is a human and we have particular working hours. So apart from that, you can talk whenever you log in a value, you will have support from the digital health coach. And of course, you can also feed data on your doctor and doctor's name, number, and clinical ID. So you have it all in a one place in the app itself, and you don't have to go to 10 different places when it comes to managing your diabetes. One-stop solution for managing diabetes. Those of you who have been with us for quite a time, or those of you are fairly new, you already know you're on a 21-day trial journey. We help you understanding not just your health, but your life goals as well. Give you customized recipes and solutions for that. Set personalized and smart goals. We talk to your caregivers, like I mentioned. If there's anyone who is willing to support you for this journey, they are more than welcome to come and have a chat with the health coach and understand how they can support you in the best way possible. And we introduce small changes, good health behaviors, the ones that are really very doable, that are easy to do and easy to follow, and a whole lot of excitement is there when it comes to these small changes, because who doesn't like winning at small things? When you achieve something, even if it is something small, and you see the drop in your blood sugar levels, that is something worth celebrating. So we introduce these small good health behaviors, and we make sure that we are helping you stick to this behavior on a daily basis. Coming to after the free trial has ended, if you think we are trustworthy enough to help you upgrade your life, upgrade your health on a long term basis, then you can upgrade your plans with us in a basic plan, a pro plan, or a wealthy plus plan. The most important goals in these plans in a 1 month plan would be to see a little bit of weight loss, because like I mentioned initially, just losing 5 to 10% of your current body weight can help you bring your sugars under control in the most beautiful way possible. So even if you're going for something as basic as 1 month plans, you can start seeing immediate results. Over a period of 4 months, we start seeing a drop in the HbA1c values, which HbA1c, if you don't know, is the value of your how your glucose levels have been over the last 3 months. So when you're with us for a period of 4 months, you will see an improvement on a consistent basis over the last 3 to 4 months, and a plus plan to master your lifestyle so that you become the experts of managing diabetes. And moving on ahead, after the 1 year, you will not need an outside help to tell you what to eat, what not to eat, how much to exercise, or what to do. You will know how to do it all by yourself. So coming back to the scientific evidence that I was talking about, of course, the evidence is right here on your screens. It is that 1.17% of our patients have seen a drop in 60% of, I'm sorry, 60% of our patients have seen a drop in their HbA1c levels by 1.17%. And we've also observed a mean weight loss of 2.36%. Also, we are endorsed by the world's largest diabetes association, that is the American Diabetes Association, as well as Asia's largest association, which is the Asia's largest diabetes association. Both of these bodies that are related to managing diabetes, that are doing wonderful work when it comes to researching diabetes, endorse us. And that's how you know that what we talk is backed by science and it's backed by evidence. And this is where you can come to manage your diabetes at any given point of time. Playing an active role in knowing diabetes and managing diabetes is very important. So, with this, I hope you guys remember, as always, this is our motto, that diabetes is doable. We do not have to worry about anything. And I look forward to seeing you guys on a weekly basis in the next and upcoming master classes. And with this, I end my part of the presentation, and I hope someone can, Rutuja, can you please help me with the question answer sessions? Any questions that our audience has had in when I was talking?
Yes, yes. So, Yutika, first of all, I have to tell you a great informative session, and the audience has also given a good feedback. So, great job and
Thank you.
really informative. Uh, Few questions which are asked by a lot of our audiences is
Sure.
what are the common beverages or what are the beverages with which diabetic people can have on a regular basis?
Yeah. So this is a very, very wonderful question. I would like to start by saying that beverages come in a lot of different forms. You know, there comes fruit juices, there is teas, there is coffees, there is your alcoholic beverages as well for those of us who like to drink. You can have all of these, but make sure that when suppose you come to fruit juices, let me start with that. Fruit juices, if you do, I would always say that it's better to have a whole fruit, but if you are craving a fruit juice, you can go for it as long as you're making it at home, because what happens is in packaged beverages there is added sugar. None of those are really as fresh as they claim in the advertisements or on the packets. They are all added sugars, and those sugars are actually something which we call high fructose corn syrup, and these things mess up with your diabetes, mess up with your blood sugar levels in a big way. So अगर आपको fruit juice पीना है तो make sure आपने वो घर पे बनाया हुआ है. Second, coming to your hot beverages, you can have your teas and coffees. Of course, try to make sure that you're replacing your normal sugar with something like stevia, because वो एक natural sweetener है, प्लांट बेस्ड और नेचुरल स्वीटनर है, तो उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं होंगे, आपको अपनी मिठास मिल जाएगी और आप अपने बेवरेजेस एंजॉय कर पाएंगे. Coming on to alcoholic beverages, make sure that you're very mindful, because what happens is कभी कभी जो कॉकटेल्स बनते हैं ना उसमें हम बहुत सारे शुगर सिरप्स जाते हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन होते हैं, तो इसके लिए आपको क्वांटिटी पे कंट्रोल रखना और आपके काइंड ऑफ कॉकटेल पे कंट्रोल रखना जरूरी हो जाता है. Yes, you can come back and individually discuss your preferences with your health coach as well, but these are some of the ways you can have when it comes to beverages. Also, you can have coconut water because it's summer. Of course, all of us needs something to cool our body down apart from water. So you can have coconut water from time to time. Don't make this into a habit where you have it like multiple times a day, but sometimes once in a while you can have that. You can have your nimbu pani again, preferably with stevia. You can have something like buttermilk, chas, which is an excellent source of protein and excellent source of hydration and cools your body down as well. So these are some of the beverages. Of course, being an Indian, you can also indulge in kadhas. A lot of various kadhas are there. If you do prefer that, you can have that also as a beverage. I hope this answers the question.
Yes, yes, I think this helps. The next question, what most of the audience wants to know is see, many of us are sitting back at home. People have a lot of stress, personal
Correct.
stress, work stress, day to
Yes.
day routine stress. So, how is stress responsible for diabetes, and how at home can they do some changes in their routine to manage stress?
Absolutely. Again, a very wonderful question, because I completely understand where you're coming from. See, stress directly does not have such a big role to play in diabetes. When you say कि मुझे stress है इसलिए sugar बढ़ रहा है, so this is not the most accurate statement. What happens is when we are stressed, then we start losing control over our other routines, other habits. So what you can end up doing is बहुत ज़्यादा stress है तो it goes on the extreme. Either you stop eating, you are not able to eat anything in that time, or you overeat. कुछ भी जो भी हाथ में मिला, जो भी सामने मिला वो आप खा लेते हैं. तो ये एक बात है, जैसे stress can affect your diabetes in this way. So what you need to do is be very mindful of when you are eating. Like I mentioned, कि कभी अगर आपको रियलाइज हो रहा है कि आपने कुछ स्किप कर दिए, तो आप एकदम रुकिए जरा 2 minutes, just come back to your own senses, to your own body, wait and see. Okay, I have been stressed, but does that mean that I need to worsen my diabetes? No, right? So before, or if you're on the other side of the scale where you end up eating a lot, so when you're eating something apart from breakfast, lunch and dinner, make sure that before you put it in your mouth, you just wait for a minute or 2 minutes and see, talk to, kind of try to understand your body and hunger cues. Are you actually hungry? or is this because you're stressed? Now when it comes to being stressed, if you find your answer कि हाँ ये मुझे stress हो रहा है, इसकी वजह से मेरी दवाई skip हो रही है, या इसकी वजह से खाना skip हो रहा है, या इसकी वजह से मैं बहुत ज्यादा खा रही हूँ या खा रहा हूँ, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? Practice a few breathing exercises. This is the easiest way to manage stress. And what happens is when you practice a few breathing exercises, it will help you de-stress in moments. So some deep breathing, some anulom vilom, some pranayam. This really helps you with stress management as well. I hope this answers the question. Do we have any more questions?
Yes, I think quite apt response. The last question, I know we have extended our time, but we have one more question which is asked frequently. People want to know that we spoke about sugar, not consuming sugar, or how to reduce it in your intake. How about adding artificial sweeteners in sweets instead of sugars or jaggery? And what are the ideal amounts patients can take?
Absolutely. So the thing is, with each artificial sweetener, there comes a different ideal amount, which which you can help with when it comes to the individual things. But yes, you can add artificial sweeteners. Be very mindful of the fact that artificial sweeteners are not free of calories, which means कि अगर आप कोई artificial sweetener ले रहे हो, तो बहुत important है ये जानना कि उसमें भी calories होती है. शुगर से थोड़ी कम होगी, लेकिन calories होंगी. So to make sure that you're talking to your health coach when it comes to a specific sweetener, but on a day-to-day basis, or when you're having something once in a while, you can have your artificial sweeteners. You can add sugar-free tablets, or you can add those stevia leaves or stevia drops. These are some of the most wonderful artificial sweeteners. They are safe to consume when you consume them in good quantities. You do not overdo it, so then that would be a good way to consume the artificial sweeteners as well.
Okay, just one last question, Yutika. I know we are, crossing the time, but just a small question. How healthy is popcorn to have as an evening snack?
All right, so this is my favorite replacement options when it comes. So popcorn, not really healthy. What you can do instead is have your makhanas. In fact, when I meet you guys next week, no, let's just make sure we're all coming with a bowl of makhana instead of popcorns to enjoy this Saturday time that we spend together. So that is a better option to have, because like I mentioned, everything is backed by science when we talk about it at Wealthy. So makhana has a lot of fiber. It has a lot of your vitamins and minerals. It has some amount of proteins as well, as opposed to popcorns, which becomes more or less empty calories, which will just cause a spike in the blood sugar. इसलिए मखाना खाओ, वो भी पॉपकॉर्न जैसा टेस्ट करता है. अगर आपको उसको फ्लेवर ऐड करना है, तो हमारे पास हमारे घर में मसालों के डब्बे होते हैं. गो अहेड, एक्सपेरिमेंट करो, अलग अलग तरीके से उसको रोस्ट करने की ट्राई करो, and have a makhana as a snack instead of popcorn.
Great. I think this was a wonderful session, very informative. Thank you to all of you all for being a lovely audience. Please let us know the topics which you want us to discuss in the coming sessions. Just to let you know, today's topic was also given as a response, as a feedback from one of you in the feedback form. So we are awaiting and we would love to hear your feedback on today's session. Kindly fill the feedback form post you leave this session. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a very wonderful audience, for spending all of your Saturday evenings with me, even if it's taking out 1 hour. I know it's a difficult thing to manage, so I'm really, really grateful that you all are here. बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे every week आके आप लोगों के साथ interact करना. So I hope to see you guys every week coming forward, and have a wonderful weekend ahead. Bye. Take care.